Kakidasu mean write or write out. Kaki is from the word kaku or kakimasu. Kaku is mean in the dictionary form, but kakimasu is in the mass form. It means writing or write something down. So dasu is mean put out, put something out. So when we use the word kakidasu, it mean you write something out, or you write something out. That means you have something in your mind, and you have something in your brain. If you don't write down, or if you don't write out, that means nobody knows. So in the case like this, you want to write something from your mind out, so you can say 思っていることを書き出します。思っていることを書き出します。which means I will write what I'm thinking about. 田中さんは彼のアイディアを書き出します。田中さんは彼のアイディアを書き出します。which means 田中さん you write his or her idea out. That means you write something on the paper, or Mr. Tanaka-san will write his idea on the paper. So it means kakidasu. Or Suzuki-san は、ビジネスプランを書き出した。鈴木さんはビジネスプランを書き出した。which means Mr. Suzuki already write out the business plan.